Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this simple, fast, beginner friendly, ready to wear curly unit. Y'all, this unit took me no more than 8 to 15 minutes to install from beginning to end. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this gorgeous glueless unit, make sure you keep on watching. So we're getting right into it. As you guys can see, I'm taking this straight out of the box and installing it on my head. So thank you, UNice, for sponsoring this video. This is some of the goodies that come in your bag. I didn't use any of those, but this is how the unit comes straight out of the box. Y'all, look at these gorgeous, beautiful coils at the end. You know how you have to do all that mousse and stuff on curly units? Yeah, you don't have to do that to this unit at all. Okay, she's ready to go. And I reviewed this unit before, but in black. But today I'm showing you guys their 7x5 chestnut brown curly unit, 24 inches. And since this is from their Bye Bye Knots collection, this unit is pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked, so you don't have to do any of that. And they also have this new little feature in the nape area. You can adjust an elastic band to make it tighter and more secure. Of course, we have our wig combs and another adjustable band for more security. For my installation, I'm going in with my bronzer. I'm applying that to my lace and applying it straight to my head. No wig cap, nothing, y'all, okay? I wasn't trying to do all that blending. And this is how the unit was looking with no layers, just straight on my head with bronzer. I'm gonna do a little more tweaking because I need a little more volume, but before that, I'm going in with my Ebon spray. This is a glueless spray. It's literally removable. I'm just using this to shape it towards my head because I am going to lift it after my whole process of just cutting my layers and stuff. But while that melts, I'm going to cut some face framing layers. Now, I am not going towards the bottom of this unit. These coils were already ready to go, so I don't want to do any more maintenance to this wig that I don't have to, okay? So I'm doing my face framing layers, and as you guys can see, I'm picking up the slightest bit of hair towards the top of this unit. I'm going nowhere near the bottom. So I'm doing that on both sides, and as you guys can see, you can see the volume forming and just that shape. I need some shape in my curly hair. I cannot do the flat hair. So as you guys can see, towards the top, not the bottom. We're not messing up them coils, okay? So I'm just gonna continue to do that. Then we're gonna get into defining the little curls at the top that I kind of messed up. So to define those curls, I'm literally going in with just water, not even a mousse, just water and a Denman brush. And I was going to just leave it from the curl that was formed from the Denman brush, but I was like, I need a little more definition. So I ended up just finger coiling to match the finger coils at the bottom. So I'm curling some of them towards my face, and then I'm curling some towards the opposite direction. And I'm going to do that on all the pieces that I cut and cut layers in. And I'm gonna do the same thing towards the little bang part in the front of my face. So as you guys can see, I'm just twisting it around my finger. This one is going towards the front of my face, and the other ones are going the opposite direction. Then the other one is going towards the opposite direction of the other one. Does that make sense? So you guys can see I'm just going in with my diffuser and just making that dry faster because I don't have time for that to air dry. And look how pretty these coils came out. They were so cute. And it literally matched the rest of my head instead of just having that untamed bushiness towards the top. So this is the first side and this is the other half, and you can just see that comparison. So we did that to the other side of the unit, and this was how it looked. Oh my gosh, I can't get over these cute little curls. Oh my god, they're so cute. And I went ahead, removed my band. Y'all can see it is melted in my head, but it's not going to stay like that because it's glueless, and I'm going to lift it to make sure that it's still going to be nice and removable, but still not going anywhere. Now, of course, for my favorite part, picking out these curls. I want my hair big, I want it wild, I want it crazy, but I still want it defined, so that's why we finger coiled it. But we're just gonna pick out those roots to give it more volume and to make those layers, face framing layers, a little more pronounced. So this is how it looked by me just kind of cutesy picking it out, but course, I want bigger. So I'm gonna keep picking it out until I reach my desired fluffiness. So once I got to that point, this was my final result, and I am just in awe. Y'all, this hair was the quickest unit that I've ever installed on my head, probably in the history of all of my videos on my channel. I'm gonna have to look into that. But y'all, this hair is so versatile. As you guys can see, it's 7x5, so you can do this as a side part as well, little flip over situation. But y'all can also see that it is glueless. I was able to stick my comb under it, and it looks so good and secure at that. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check the description box below. I will have a coupon code and also all of the links to UNice's site and also this exact unit. But I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
My baby, my Valentine.